Hi there, I'm Emma from the County of Brant Public Library, and we are here together to celebrate Afternoon Tea Week. Every day this week we are going to be giving you lots of tips and tricks and ideas to make your afternoon tea perfect. So today we are starting with a cooking tutorial. We are making scones, a classic afternoon tea treat. We have all of the recipes available to you. If you want it, give us a holler and we will make sure we send them out to you. Today with scones, we're starting off with just a very simple drop scone. So what I have done here is I have 2 cups of flour and about 1/3 of a brick of butter. So substantial amount of butter here. And I've already mixed it because this first step is a messy process. So you really want to get your hands in there and crumble it all up until you have nice little crumbs. You can really start to smell the butter come through and mix it all together like so. After that, you want to add your baking powder. So we'll do 2 teaspoons of baking powder into our mix. We're going to mix them all up here together. And now you can use your spoon if you want to, but again, make sure not to overmix with your spoon. You don't want your scones to be sort of dense and flat. So we mix them all up like so. Then we are going to add our milk. So we have buttermilk here. We made our buttermilk ourselves, so I just add a couple teaspoons of lemon juice and we'll make a nice chunky buttermilk here to add into it. I'll leave a little bit behind just to make sure I have enough. We add 1 egg, I've already whipped it, and we'll add that into the mix as well. So we'll give that just a gentle stir. And if you want other recipes, there are so many books at your public library that give you afternoon tea recipes, scone recipes, everything from the fanciest to the simplest that you can find, you will have that there. So make sure you check out our book selection as well. Once the buttermilk and the egg are mixed in, I have here 1/2 cup of lemon yogurt. So that's going to give the background a little bit of a lemony taste to it. Again, we've already added a little bit of lemon juice as well, so we have a little bit more flavor in our scones there. We'll mix that in a little bit more to make sure everything is evenly distributed. And as you can see, you've got a sort of doughy consistency now. So again, we're not over stirring it, but we do want everything to be covered. I might add just a little bit more of my buttermilk here. I started with a 1/2 cup. Just gonna put in a little bit more to make sure that it's moist enough. Once that's mixed in, it's to each your own. So you can add blueberries, which is what I'm going to do today because they're in season, but you can add raisins, sultanas, you can keep them completely plain, which are my kids' favorite. You can do whatever you want with it to add into your recipe. So I'm going to do about 1/2 cup of fresh blueberries here, and I'm just going to mix it up very gently until I've got a nice consistency here. Then the rest is back to your hands. So you're going to dig into your bowl and you're going to make a nice, loose, round scone shape, like so. All right. Now you can grease your muffin tin, or your platter here. I just put down a silicone mat, so that's easiest for me. Do it like so. You're going to make about 12 with this recipe, and again, we have the recipe available to you. You are going to cook it, let me check, at 350 for about 15 minutes, 12 to 15 minutes. So keep an eye on it after the 12-minute mark, and hopefully you will have the most delicious scones available to you. So happy Afternoon Tea Week, everybody. Watch us all week, find out all kinds of tips and tricks and fun things, and enjoy your week. Thank you very much.